vlog for ages. Anyway, I'm waiting for Molly to come inside. Pumunta siya sa labas, umihi. Tapos, ang pangit ng panahon today, I will show you. Molly. Ano siya, ano yan? Maulan. There. Hi, Moles. Agoy. Nawa ang statwa, di ba? Naitutoy. Hala, birds. Agoy. Itong decking na to, ito ba? Itong sahig na to, ang ganda niya pag summer, pero pag maulan, tapos yan, hindi yan anong tawag niyan, soil yan na galing doon, tapos napupunta dyan kasi fake grass yan. So pag summer, binabrush lang yan, pero pag winter, ay naku, ambot na lang. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ashush. Gusto naming dalhin si Molly sa Pinas. Mos, come on, darling. Let's go inside. Let's go. Nagmuni-muni. Agoy. Okay. Did you do wee-wee? Huh? This is Molly's tree. So, every time na mag-wee-wee or pupo si Molly, ito yung treat niya. Kailangan bigyan siya ng isa. Sit. O, diba? Good girl. Good girl. So, para malaman niya na good girl siya, na kailangan niya mag-wee-wee, magpupo sa labas. Let's go inside. Asyo. And then, hindi ko alam kung ano hapunan namin. Ay, naku. Let's go. How are you guys? How are you all? Pakita ko din sa inyo yung mga fishes ko. Yan sila. They look very healthy. Asus. Paano to eh? Pahamak to si Cebu eh. Ayan oh. Inaatake niya yung iba. Ayan oh. Napaka-aggressive niya. Anyway. Here they are. Hi. Ashush, hello. Yan si Bo. Osho. There. Ako ay nagugutom pero hindi ko alam kung ano ang kainin kasi kung gusto ko ba ng noodles o gusto ko ba ng kanin. You know. Ito. Paborito ko tong noodles na to. Masarap siya. Medyo maanghang siya but not super anghang naman talaga. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang kakainin ko. Asawa ko umalis, nagpunta sa daddy niya, pero darating din yun. Hi, what you up to? Why you're so maldita? Napaka-maldita niya. Hey, Moles, why you're so maldita? Excuse me. Molly, ini-ignore niya talaga ako. Ay, nag-walk out si Madam. Punta tayo sa office ko. Kasi mag-overtime ako. Tapos itong si Madam, napaka-OA. Wala nga daddy mo. Your dad is at his dad's house. Your dad is at his dad's house. Yun nga. Yan. Iiyak siya. Si Molly, pag hindi niya makita daddy niya, umiiyak siya. Napaka-OA niya talaga. So OA. Kaya, ay naku, ayaw ko sa'yo, Mouse. Can I work now? Kapag may naririnig siyang sasakyan, tinitingnan niya sa labas. Kasi akala niya, daddy niya. Daddy niya nga ata dumating. Ay, napaka-OA. Kain lang ako ng hapunan, guys. Kaso, kakain lang ako ng tinapay. Ito yung paborito naming tinapay talaga. Ayan, tapos Nutella, tapos rice pudding. So that's the rice pudding, and then I'm gonna add some Nutella. Don't know if you can see, but there you go. I'm just gonna add Nutella into the rice pudding and then just mix it, and then I will dip the bread. Nah, just weird like that. That's my dinner. God, I'm just gonna eat it like that. Just dip the bread into the rice pudding. Yung rice pudding kasi is para siyang para siyang lugaw. Sa atin yung parang champorado ba? Na kapag nilagyan mo siya ng Nutella, para siyang champorado. Ayan. Diba? Tapos i-dip ko lang yung bread sa champorado. Pero mas social lang siya ng konti. Kasi yung chocolate niya ay Nutella. Ito yung paborito ko talaga. Yung, lalo na pag malamig. I love eating rice pudding. And then bread. Dip into the rice pudding. Chocolate bread. This is our favorite bread from Waitrose. So if you live here in the UK, this tiger bread from Waitrose. So yum. Like so yum. I'm just so hungry. So if you live in the UK and you miss Champorado back in the Philippines, just buy some rice pudding mixed with yummy Nutella. You got your Champorado. So yeah. I am so simple and easy to please when it's about food. I just eat anything as long as I like it. And then don't get me wrong, there are some food that I don't really like. I can't remember what food that I don't like anyway. But I think there are some food that I don't like. Sometimes it's the texture, it's the texture. Oh my god, I can't pronounce that word. Texture. Oh my god, I can't even. I give up. No, it's the texture of the food. So if you invite me in your house, rice pudding, bread, Nutella, I'm sold. With a great conversation. Or spam rice and egg. Literally, I'm so like, I'm fine. My favorite. Almost ubos na. Para talaga siyang champorado. Because the rice pudding is already sweet. If you don't add the Nutella, the rice pudding is already sweet. Mostly people here in the UK, as far as I know, they eat rice pudding with banana. Alright, you slice the banana into the rice pudding. That's that. Okay. And that's my dinner. And then I will just have some, maybe a cup of tea or whatever later. By the way, I'm taking some supplements. I'm taking this, I got this from Amazon. I'm taking some supplements, by the way. It's a marine collagen with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. There. This is not sponsored, okay? I bought this and I've been taking this for I think for 2 weeks now. I don't know if there's any changes or anything. I don't know, we'll see in like maybe more than a month. Pardon me, if I see any changes. So yeah, and that will be my night, guys. I'm just gonna chill, join with Molly and my husband, just watch some telly, and that's it. That's my day. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I will see you next time on my next video. Bye. Have a good night.